I ordered this Midea 3.5 cubic foot, I think it is, freezer back in August of 2020, and it's always just frozen up. It just gets so frozen. And so gradually in the last couple of years, it did it right away, and it would take maybe a month, two, and then it got to where it would do it in a month, and then now it's in a couple of weeks it starts to freeze up like this, and I have to break off the ice or defrost it.
Midea WHS109FW1 upright freezer. I purchased this upright freezer on Amazon for $219 plus tax and shipping. Within 3 days of ordering, it arrived in perfect condition by UPS, boxed with protective styrofoam. I have it running in my garage alongside my other upright freezer. I needed a smaller freezer for additional storage needs.